What if one tiny habit before bed could completely change the way your brain repairs itself overnight? Not a supplement, not a sleeping pill, just 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Because while you sleep, your brain is actually cleaning itself, repairing damaged cells, and resetting your nervous system. But if your blood sugar crashes during the night, that entire process gets interrupted. And that's exactly where raw honey comes in. Most people think the brain shuts down during sleep. It doesn't. Your brain is one of the most active organs in your body at night. It processes memories, repairs neurons, balances hormones, and clears out toxic waste. But here's the problem. Your brain needs a constant energy supply to do all of that, and when your liver runs low on stored fuel during the night, your body goes into survival mode. That triggers stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which can cause restless sleep, random wake-ups, anxiety at night, and brain fog in the morning. Raw honey helps prevent that, because it slowly supports liver glycogen while you sleep, meaning your brain keeps getting stable energy for overnight repair. Ever wake up around 3 a.m. for no reason? Heart racing, mind active, suddenly wide awake. That's often not emotional stress. It's metabolic stress. Your body is basically saying, hey, we're running out of fuel. So the adrenal glands release cortisol to wake you up. But raw honey provides a slow-release combination of glucose and fructose that helps stabilize energy overnight, which means fewer cortisol spikes, deeper sleep, and better nervous system recovery. That's why some people report waking up calmer, clearer, and more refreshed after adding raw honey before bed. Now here's the really fascinating part. Your brain has something called the glymphatic system. Think of it like a nighttime cleaning crew. While you sleep, cerebrospinal fluid moves through the brain and washes away waste proteins and toxins that build up during the day. But this system works best during deep, uninterrupted sleep. If stress hormones keep waking you up, that cleaning process gets disrupted. Stable nighttime glucose helps your brain stay in recovery mode longer, and that may help support better cognitive function, mental clarity, and memory over time. Raw honey also contains natural antioxidants and polyphenols. These compounds help fight oxidative stress caused by blue light exposure, lack of sleep, chronic stress, processed foods, and environmental toxins. Over time, oxidative stress can damage brain cells and accelerate mental fatigue. That's why raw honey isn't just about sleep. It may also support long-term brain health. But here's the key. It has to be raw honey, not ultra-processed honey loaded with syrup and additives. Raw, unfiltered honey keeps the beneficial enzymes and nutrients intact. Here's the simple protocol. Take 1 teaspoon of raw honey about 20 to 30 minutes before bed. That's it. No massive dose. No complicated routine. Consistency matters more than quantity. And while it's not magic, many people notice deeper sleep, fewer wake-ups, calmer mornings, and improved mental clarity. Your brain repairs itself every single night. The question is, are you giving it the fuel it needs? 1 teaspoon of raw honey might seem simple, but sometimes the smallest habits create the biggest changes. Subscribe to Vital Theory HQ for more science-backed health and brain optimization videos, and comment honey if you made it to the end.